They walk side by side, Ginger guiding blind Kimchi. They are never apart. Their owner, Eric Sagitan, says he believes they are soulmates because of the circumstances in which they met. Ginger, a golden retriever, had a problem being around other dogs. When Mr. Sugitan and his wife went to the shelter, they saw Kimchi, a King Charles Spaniel rescued during the devastating floods of Tropical Storm Ondoy in 2009. To the surprise of the couple, Ginger turned meek with Kimchi.
Even dogs can actually be like people and even be better than people because they can show that they don't discriminate. They're willing to sacrifice for the other dog.
Today, they are ambassadors rallying against the use of pyrotechnics during New Year's Eve celebrations, which can inflict damage such as emotional trauma. And given that a dog's hearing and sense of smell are more powerful than that of men, the noise and haze are physically unbearable. Ana Cabrera, the executive director of PAWS, or the Philippine Animal Welfare Society, says an increasing number of dogs are reported injured or lost during New Year's Eve, as well as incidents of animal cruelty. Cabrera warns that animal cruelty is punishable by the law with fines of up to 100,000 pesos or up to 2 years in jail. But because the nationwide ban on firecrackers has yet to be enforced, she gives us tips on how to protect our pets on New Year's Eve.
Bigyan nyo ng safe place to retreat o magtago ang inyong aso o pusa kapag nagsimula na po ang putukan sa labas. Pwede ho tayong bumili ng Thunder Shirt. Yung po ay nabibili sa mga pet supply stores. Ito ay parang jacket na nakakapag-lessen po ng panginginig ng aso o pagka-stress po ng aso. Mga iba naman po ay naglalagay ng organic pampakalma. Ang pinaka-importante din po sa mga aso ay exercise po natin na matindi sila sa umaga para pagod na pagod sila. Pagdating po ng gabi ay matutulog na lamang po sila.
If the firecracker ban passes someday, this may be the last year Filipino pets have to endure the ordeal. Isabella Montano, CNN Philippines.